English coffee time. Normal versus advanced. Very cold. Freezing. Hurry up. Chop chop. Good luck. Break a leg. Open. Unveil. Close. Seal. Lose. Surrender. Like. Admire. Dislike. Abhor. Happy. Content. Sad. Despondent. Rich. Opulent. Selfish. Rapacious. Generous. Magnanimous. Cold. Frigid. Hot. Scorching. Dirty. Filthy. Clean. Pristine. Dry. Arid. Wet. Moist. Lazy. Indolent. Busy. Industrious. Honest. Authentic. Bored. Indifferent. Begin. Commence. End. Terminate. Start. Initiate. Hard. Difficult. Easy. Facile. Old. Elderly. Young. Juvenile. Big. Enormous. Small. Minuscule. Good. Excellent. Bad. Deplorable. Happy. Jubilant. Sad. Melancholic. Pretty. Beautiful. Ugly. Unattractive. Brave. Courageous. Fearful. Apprehensive. Fast. Expeditious. Slow. Languid. Smart. Intelligent. Dumb. Inarticulate. Terrible. Atrocious. Read. Analyze. Write. Compose. Focus. Keep your eye. Time to sleep. Hit the hay. Keep quiet. Zip your lips. Not difficult. Not a rocket science. Very kind. Heart of gold. Fat. Big. Leave me alone. Give me a break. How are you? How's it going? Fit and healthy. Fit as a fiddle. Mad. Out of mind. Text me. Hit me up. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Eat food. Have a meal. Scared. Cold feet. Ask your question. Pick your brain. Lazy. Couch potato. Thank you for watching.